Hello Charger Nation! It's time to register for your courses for the coming school year. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to register for your classes quickly and easily. We're going to go over course registration materials, how to register, classes with prerequisites and applications, and lastly, graduation requirements. Let's start with materials. During home base this week, you received course selection materials that included a course list, course planning worksheet, alternative credit options handout, a CTE application information handout, and SKYWARD course entry directions. These materials will help you select your courses. If you need additional copies, you can access these materials from the Counseling Corner It's Learning page or ask Ms. Cottonware for a copy in the cafeteria during breakfast or lunch. Along with the materials you received in home base, the Educational Planning Guide, or EPG, is also a great resource for selecting courses. It is accessible online at ccisd.net/myepg. The EPG is your resource for course descriptions, graduation plans, and general information pertaining to all CCISD high schools. Now let's look at how to select your courses. To select your courses, you need to start by planning your courses on the course planning worksheet. This is where you write the courses you plan to take next year, along with your alternatives. Be sure to plan for 7 credits and 3 to 4 alternative courses. If you do not have 7 credits entered, your counselor will fill in the missing classes. When you write in your electives, be sure to write them in the order of preference. List your first choice first on the worksheet, and so on. When you list your alternatives, be sure to list at least 3 to 4 in order of preference. These are often used by counselors when there's a conflict with your schedule. Lastly, be sure to write in the course numbers along with the course name. Not sure what courses are available or don't know the course number? You can refer to the course selection list. This lists all of the courses offered at Springs. Be sure to pay attention to the codes. They give you additional information about the courses like prerequisite, application, or approval requirements. They also tell you which courses do not have a level down option. Again, pay attention to the codes. After you've written your courses on the planning worksheet, you're ready to enter them into SKYWARD. Access SKYWARD as you normally do. Click on the SKYWARD student icon, click on the Schedule tab, then click on the Request Courses link. It's in blue in the upper right-hand corner. Now you're ready to enter your courses. Be sure you have the course numbers. That's how you'll find your courses to enter. If you're taking an athletics or fine arts class, be sure to check with your coach or director for the correct course number to enter. Remember to enter your alternates. 3 to 4 alternates must be entered. Now, let's talk about those courses with prerequisites and the ones that require applications. Some courses require prerequisites, and they can be found in the course description part of the EPG. The prerequisites are the classes you must have already taken. For example, for food science, you must have taken biology, chemistry, and 1 additional science before you can register for it. Always check the EPG to make sure you have met the prerequisites and/or grade level requirements. SKYWARD will not let you select a course if the prerequisites have not been met. There are also classes that require an application. The A in the code column of the course list tells you which courses require an application. If you are interested in taking any of these courses, be sure to apply online at ccisd.net/CTE applications. See this handout for more information. There are a few additional classes that require an application, such as release time, school service, and PALS. You can pick up an application from your counselor, the College and Career Center, or from Ms. Cottonware in the cafeteria during breakfast and lunch. And now, a quick recap of the graduation requirements. Be sure that classes you select meet your graduation requirements. Remember, you need 26 credits to graduate: 4 English, 4 math, 4 science, and 3 social studies, 2 world language and culture, 1 fine art, 1 PE, and 7 elective credits. You can always refer back to the courses you discussed with your counselor during your freshman or sophomore conference to help you remember which classes you need for graduation. Your conference forms have been uploaded in It's Learning for easy access at any time. If you're a junior, you will review your course selection during your junior conference in March. And now for a few important course selection reminders. Choose your classes carefully. Schedule changes are for data entry mistakes and course errors. Other change requests are rarely approved. Online verification will be in March and April. If you have questions about course registration, stop by our registration station, and this is a great time to ask your counselor any quick questions that you might have. You can also get replacement materials and/or get help with SKYWARD. Course selection is important, so make sure you take your time. If you have any questions, see one of our counselors at the registration station or Ms. Cottonware in the cafeteria during breakfast or lunch. Happy course selecting!